Today I want to share with you a delicious but really healthy snack recipe. I don't know about you, but to me it's always a battle of eating healthy and eating not so healthy. The problem that I have is with specific meals or specific kind of, I don't know, types of meals, because they are quite often associated with unhealthy things, like snacks, when you're watching a movie, when you're getting together with your friends, also desserts, and I don't know, other things as well. So those things are mostly the ones that I always struggle with when we're watching a movie. So I'm craving something to kind of snack on while I'm watching the movie, and usually that's something unhealthy. So today I wanted to give you an option to that, something that is delicious, something that you can kind of modify to whatever you like, and something you can snack on which is still healthy. So today I want to share a recipe for a beautiful snack platter with different veggies and a delicious hummus dip. For this recipe you can use any vegetables that you like, so I just have some examples here for you that I'm gonna use, but you can use anything that you like and that you like to eat raw. So I have some peppers here. I have a yellow pepper, and then I also have some red pepper. I have not sure what this vegetable is called in English, but I will check it for you and I will have that here for you as well. Then I also have celery, tomatoes, not sure how the tomatoes will work with dipping, but we'll see. Then I also have some cauliflower, and I checked, you can eat it raw, it's safe to eat raw, and actually some things are more healthy when you eat it raw. And also I have a cucumber here. So really any vegetables that you enjoy eating raw. So then we want to prep the vegetables, and what I wanted to show you is you can plan your setup on your plate before you cut the vegetables so that they actually fit and look nice. So for example, I have some shorter celery, so I'm gonna just check how that looks on the plate. So I would want to cut my pieces like this, so that they kind of fit beautifully around my plate. So then we are just prepping all of the vegetables. So peel any of those that need peeling, and cut them like I showed you according to the plate that you're using. So then I have all my vegetables ready. I actually left this one out, the unknown vegetable, because I didn't have any room for it. And for my tomatoes, I have some small bowls on the side, so I'm just gonna add the tomatoes into the little bowls. For the hummus, you will need a juice of 1 lemon. So we're just going to squeeze the fresh juice. So I want to add the lemon juice into the chickpeas. I've only just rinsed the chickpeas under some cold water. Then you also want to add a clove of garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, season well with some salt. And then we are going to start blending it, and if needed we will add a little bit of cold water, but first you want to start blending it. So you can use a food processor, or if you don't have one, you can also use an immersion blender. So now it's all well blended, but it's quite thick. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of cold water to just make it a little bit thinner. And then once you're happy with the consistency, so that it's nice and smooth and creamy, taste test, so taste whether it has enough salt for you, and you could add more garlic at this point if you want, and then it's ready to be served. So it's really simple to make, really quick and easy to make, and you can choose whatever veggies that you like. So really, it's a great recipe, I think, and you can make it really easily, really quickly. I think many will think it's boring and too healthy, vegetables, but actually the raw vegetables, they are really delicious. I was really surprised how delicious cauliflower tastes raw, so I haven't really tried it raw before, and I was surprised by that. And I love eating carrots raw and also peppers, so I really enjoyed the snack platter, and the hummus was really yummy. If you notice some cute products in the video and you would want to find out more, then I have a link for you in the description box where you can find all the products that I used in the video and more. If you enjoyed this recipe and if you would like to have more recipes like this, you know what to do. Don't forget that thumbs up, so I also know that, and I will then bring more recipes like that. And also, if you're new to my channel and you don't want to miss those recipes, then subscribe right now and tap the bell so you get a notification when the new recipes come out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.